Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use AI tools. This is the Visla, so you can create a video using these AI tools. You can use on your web, on your Chrome. Let's create video, but don't forget you have to sign in first. So you can choose what you would like to start with. The idea here, for example, a business plan, and then generate your video. So this is the preview, mastering business planning, a comprehensive guide. So there's a 2-minute video here. Here, so fast. You can generate your business plan in a minute. Even there is a voiceover or text here or script here. So feel free to try to enhance your video, your business plan, marketing plan. Use the AI tools. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.